Nzinga King trimming probe complete and now awaiting ruling. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links of 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links of 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Independent Commission of Investigation INDECOM says it has completed its probe into allegation of unprofessional conduct and assault of Nazim King while in custody at the Four-Part Police Station lockup. An investigation file and commission report were submitted to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, the ODPP, on November 11, 2021, Indicom said in a release on Wednesday. Indicom says it's now awaiting a ruling from the ODPP in the matter. During the assessment, the ODPP ruled for criminal charges, disciplinary action, or no criminal charges against the concerned officers, Indicom said. Any ruling of the office will not affect the complainant's ability to pursue her civil remedies. In early August, 19-year-old King, in a video on social media, accused a woman police officer at the Four Park police station of trimming her locks against her will while she was in the custody at the police station for a minor offense.
Okay. That's not all.
Mr. Andrew Wallace, I'm here today seeking some form justice from you or maybe the state. I'm going to ask your help for doing this. I'm here today because my daughter, Nzinga Candace King, she has been victimized by the police, very much victimized. She had some money with the police the other day. She got locked up, she got a court date, she got fined, but because of a misunderstanding, the fine wasn't paid, but she ended up at the lockup, even though eventually the fine was paid and she came out. But Mr. Holness, my problem is, my daughter is 19 years of age. From she born until the 22nd of July, she is a Rasta. She goes relaxed from she born until that day. And she got locked up and a police corporal down at the Four Pass police station, her name is Constable Michelle, she trimmed my daughter's locks. I'm gonna like to know the reason why. I'm gonna ask, I'm gonna like some justice. We can't live with this, I'm not gonna live with this. This is not in the 60s. Rasta have contributed so much to society. Why are we still being stigmatized? Why did this lady cut my daughter locks? Me I beg you, please, me I ask you to help me to get some justice. Me can't live with this. My daughter go crazy. My daughter is going crazy. Me I ask for some justice. Me need some justice.
Okay, Mr. Prime Minister, these police officers, they are acting as if they have so much rights and nobody else have rights. Only the police have rights. Because I was coming from school one afternoon, sitting in a taxi with about 4 other persons. 2 police officers came and said they want to remove one man out of the taxi. And he got pepper spray. Because the man was defiant, he pepper spray. In the car, pepper spray. In the car. I was there standing. I got so upset because I had on my mask. I was not breaking any law, any rule because they said we're supposed to wear a mask. I had on my mask and the man never have on a mask. I just pepper spray in the car. So I was there upset and talking for my right because I know my right as a human. And the police officer claimed that I disrespected him. So he was gonna fine me. He was gonna charge me. While I was there, he handcuffed me. I was there. Can't see out of my eye because they pepper spray me. Pepper spray burning me on my hands, in my eyes. irritating me eye.
No go back through all of that. You need to talk about
Oh,
how
you
you
feel.
then trim your
Well,
locks
I am
in
so.
a today Jamaica.
Well, listen. I am so. I am so mad. I am traumatized because of the situation. I'm feeling as if I have no rights. I want justice out of it. I'm 19 years of age. I have cut my ear for some silly reason. You don't have any reason to cut my ear. Right now, I'm going through so much trauma. I don't understand this. I do not understand why this lady have to cut my ear. Is my ear a problem? Is my ear a problem? God, she not have no right to cut me ear. No right she not to cut me ear. And then after she cut me ear, she have a behave as if she have right. So I want to know now if only police have rights and civilian do not have any rights. Or me as a Rastafarian do not have any right at all. Because I see person, I see inmates in there have a land grade reason down here and I don't see them go and cut her and go cut her ear. But me will come in and a sister locks and an extension me put on. I locks me having and you cut me ear. I will want to know the reason. Because when me ask her say why she cut me ear, she said, do not ask me anything and she kissed her teeth. Bring me to the cell and lock me up. So I need answers. We need answers. We need justice. This not right. This is no right. This is not right. This is not right. You just to all me feel in on my perspective, to all me and look on it, me just feel like as if I'm nothing or nobody. Because you cut me ear for no reason. You can't explain to me why you cut me ear. You take a part of my identity. Why? She has taken so much things from me. She take me joy, sanity, everything. She took a lot from me. May I tell you? My ear is a part of me. A woman's ear is her beauty. And you take away so much from me. A woman's ear is her beauty. You take away so much from me. Why? What reason you have to cut me ear? I have a behave as if you don't care. As if you can do anything and you can get to it. And you can do anything and you just go so. Me heart full. God know me heart full. Why? Why? Why this? Corporal punishment is something where you say you want to cut out or you want to get rid of. But me I tell you, Mr. Wellness, me I tell you the truth where God love. If me they go on the station and my daughter tell me say the police then beat her, I mean have more of an understanding because me know say when she gets angry, sometimes she behave a way, but come on man. You cut her locks, you take away her identity, you try to trample on her character, you play mind game with her. You don't even know the situation or the state of my daughter's mind. Or her well-being and you cut her locks, you know where you do to her. My daughter went through traumas already where she tried to kill herself. And you come bring back my daughter to a state as this. Come on, man. We need some form of justice and we need some answers. If we don't get an answer for this, you come to think me know me go mad.
The allegation led to outrage among members of the public, including the Rastafarian community, which has since staged several protests across the country. The outrage also included opposition leader Mark Golding, who implored Prime Minister Andrew Holness to act on the matter. During the Indicom investigation, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson said that the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF had handed over a file and document from its internal investigation on the matter to Indicom. At the time, however, Mr. Anderson said that the alleged action was not keeping with the policies of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. In a statement, Indicom said that it will provide an update when it's in receipt of the ruling of the Director of Public Prosecution. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.